everybody. This is Alicia. Today I am sharing with you my summer dining table decor. It is super easy to replicate this look with a few main staples. First off, the showstopper of the tablescape are these vinca vines. This is vinca major. They go really well outside, but they're just as beautiful inside. I put them in some pots that I found from TJ Maxx, and they just create like a little whimsy with this tablescape and bring in little summer vibes. Now you can't go wrong with brass candlesticks and lit candles. So I went with the brass candlesticks, not the chunky wood ones, just to make it a little bit more delicate and a little bit more whimsy as well. Okay, now let's talk about the rest of this tablescape with these books. I aged these books with coffee, and then I also added some book pages as a table runner, just to give it a little unique flair, something to talk about, maybe something to read while you are eating dinner. And now the table settings or the place settings. I added these vintage doilies to each place setting and my vintage ironstone as well as these scalloped chargers just to make the cottage core vibe a little bit more with this table. And let's not forget these awesome vintage amber, well, no, they're not vintage, but they're faux vintage amber glasses. The light just hits them so beautifully out of those there. And now for the head of the table are these really cute pillows that I found, well, pillow covers. They just added a great texture and feel, as well as this really cute floral blanket that I found. I believe this one was from Marshall's, as well, just to add a little bit summer. And don't forget the bottom of the floor, you guys. This is where I add more layers with jute rugs just to complete the entire look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. As you can see, it's pretty simple to add some summer decor to your table with just a few items. Thank you for watching. Visit thriftyandchic.com for other projects and decor, as well as subscribe so you don't miss any more decor and do-yourself videos.